Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Pam with RPPC Inc. And today we're going to look at how you reconcile in QuickBooks Online. I am using a sample company here today and just located currently on the dashboard. I recommend to all of my clients that they reconcile on a monthly basis their checking, savings, credit cards, loans, including line of credit every month. This way, it helps to ensure that things did not get double entered, nor did anything get left out. A good rule of thumb is that if you do this on a monthly basis, when it gets time for year end, you don't have a whole lot of extra processes to go back and reconcile all of these accounts or do all of this extra stuff that you could be doing as you go along. Reconciling also helps to ensure that your financials are accurate. So today, to start with our reconciling, we're going to click on this gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. And you can see this gives me a variety of options. I'm going to go here under Tools to select Reconcile. From there, I see this Reconcile an Account, and I can pick what account I want to reconcile. In my sample company, I've not reconciled any previously, but if I had, you would see the beginning balance and it would tell you that information so that you know when you're starting, that beginning balance here should match the beginning balance of your current statement you are reconciling. So my ending balance off of my bank statement if I want to enter any service charges or interest, I can enter that here as well. Select Start Reconciling. You will see here, I have my statement ending balance and my cleared balance. When I get through the reconciling process, those should equal. My beginning balance, it will show the payments and the deposits that I have cleared. Here I have the Payments tab, the Deposits tab, and all of the transactions. So what I will use is those paper statements, or perhaps you get an online statement, and you're going to be looking at, in this case, the bank statement. And if you see on that bank statement that, yes, this check cleared, this check cleared, this check cleared, if one of them had not cleared, you would simply just leave it unselected. On my deposits, I then will select the deposits. Again, anything that you have entered that has not cleared, you will leave as unselected and let it clear in the next month. If after a couple of months you see things are not clearing, those are things that you're going to want to investigate. Perhaps something got double entered, miscoded, or that for some other reason it's gotten in there and you don't want it to be. Or perhaps if it was a check, the person you mailed it to didn't receive it. So I typically, my rule of thumb is I give it about 60 to 90 days. If something hasn't cleared by then, I'm going to do additional follow-up. Now that I've selected my payments, my deposits, you will see that my statement ending balance and my cleared balance equal, as well as the difference is 0. If you finish this with anything other than 0, it's going to throw in an entry and call it a reconciliation discrepancy. I personally do not like those. So if you're talking a few cents and that is within your comfort level, you can go ahead and enter it. Personally, I like to investigate what's causing that. It could be that a check was entered incorrectly with the wrong amount, or a deposit was entered incorrectly. So typically I'm going to go in and I'm going to research that and correct it. So once I have the difference of 0, I will select to finish now. It tells me that I've successfully reconciled my account. If I want to view my reconciliation report, I can select View Report, and you can be able to see that information. That's simply the simple process of how to reconcile your accounts. Remember, if you are new to reconciling, the first month is always the hardest. if you are looking to reconcile for the current year, my recommendation to my clients is I go back and reconcile for the ending period of last year, for example, 12/31 of 17. Make sure that reconciles with all the older transactions. If I have to enter some kind of adjustment, I enter it after 1/1 so that it's on my current time, because I don't want to mess with anything that's going to impact my prior year financials that I've already filed taxes for. So if you have any questions about reconciling, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.